Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are showing you how to solve exponential system equation with 2 power x times 3 power y equal 24, 2 power y times 3 power x equal 54, and find the value of x and find the value of y. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my video from begin to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. Okay, look at my solution. The first step, I let here is first equation and I let is second equation. And now I use first equation. From first equation with 2 power x times 3 power y equal 24. It can be right is 2 power x times 3 power y equal 24 can be y 2 power 3 and times 3. And from second equation, we get this 2 power y times 3 power x equal 54. Can be right is 2 power y times 3 power x equal it can be right it's 2 times 3 power 3. And then now I let it here is first and I let it here is second. Okay, now take first multiply second. So we get here is 2 power x times 3 power y times 2 power y and times 3 power x equal here is 2 power 3 and times 3 times 2 times 3 power 3. And here is basic 2. We get 2 power x plus y. And here is we get 3 power x plus y equal here is we get 2 power 4 and times 3 power 4. Now, here is the same exponent, so can be right 2 times 3 whole to power x plus y and equal 2 times 3 whole to power 4. So we get this is same basic. We get x plus y equal 4. So I let it third equation. And now we take first divide second. So take first divide second. So we get it is 2 power x and times 3 power y divide 2 power y and times 3 power x equal 2 power 3 and times 3 divide 2 and times 3 power 3. So here is, you see this, the basic 2 is the same. So we get 2 power x minus y, and time here is 3 and power y minus x equal, is, we simplify, we get 2 square and divide by, here is 3 square. And here is, if I take it to the hour, so we get it's 2 and power x minus y and divide by 3 and power x minus y equal 2 divided by 3 whole to square. And here is, we take the exponent to whole this one. So we get 2 divided by 3 fourths to power x minus y equal 2 divided by 3 whole to square. And then we get x minus y is equal 2. And I like it's the fourth equation. So now we have the third equation and fourth equation. So if I adding it, okay, now I take third equation plus fourth equation. So we get, here is x plus y and plus x minus y equal 4 plus 2. And we can cancel this. We get this 2/8 equals 6. And then we divide both sides of this equation with 2. We simplify 2, and here we simplify 2, we get 3. So we get x equals 3. And then we subtract third equation with fourth equation. So we get this, take third equation and minus fourth equation. So we get x plus y and minus, here is x minus y equal, here is 4 and minus 2. So we get 4 minus 2. And we expand this, we get x plus y minus x, and we get x plus y equal 2. We can say x. We get, here is 2y equal 2. And we divide both sides of this equation with 2. We simplify, and we simplify, we get 1. So y equal 1. So now just we get the values of x and y is x equal 3 and y is equal 1 is our solution. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Goodbye. See you next video.